Yeah. Hey everyone, this is Tim. I'm going to be doing a quick little review for these ultra car mats that we have. And the best way to get an understanding of what these look like is literally just to look at them here. So I guess we're kind of disappointed at the quality that we are getting. It seems like the leather material is a little bit cheaper than we were expecting. And it doesn't really fit well to the seats. You can see this isn't going around the back seat very well at all. Kind of looks a little bit cheaper than if you can show right here on the back. When you do get it, I mean, you're going to have some wrinkling until it gets used to, you know, just being flush against the seat. But all this is just super wrinkly. It doesn't look very good. The sides here are just more of a fabric on the back here too. So it's not very good quality leather like we were thinking. And it kind of looks a little bit cheap. So just get a quick view of this entire back row of how this looks. So imagine putting this on your seat. Now the actual material, it seems fine here. It just doesn't fit right, and it doesn't wrap around the entire seat. Like when you get a car seat, you're thinking this is going to be wrapped around the entire seat, even in the back here. So you're supposed to be getting something that's flush against your seat, and it's molded around everything. But this looks like it doesn't really look all that great. So it definitely is not a scam. They're going to be selling you something, and they're going to be sending it to your house. So we end up getting about 25% off when we purchased these. However,
it was $269 just for the front seat.
$269 for the front seat.
Yes, and it was 25% off, so it came to $189 or
what
something.
about the back seat?
That was another $100.
So
cover.
Here is the front seat, and this just comes off just like this.
I know,
but it doesn't even wrap around. Like when you watch the videos on their YouTube channel, it seems like the entire seat is covered. This is only half of it, and it's not even over the seat. Like it hangs over the edge.
And this is not even leather here. This is the sides.
Is it what more? I don't know the material here, but here's the back. I'd probably put it more like at a synthetic material rather than actual leather, right? Velcro.
This is ultra car seat covers. These are terrible.
What is this in the middle?
That's just what they gave me to cover that middle part up. Yeah, the logo, is that even from the...
So we have this line logo.
I don't know.
Looking at the logos on the other videos that we watched, it wasn't the same logo.
Yeah, I know. That's why
maybe they changed it.
I have no idea. It's not good.
And then the headrest here. I mean, the headrest doesn't look that bad, but... So this is what the back seat looks like from behind, just looking at everything. As you can see, looks like you can put stuff in here if you really need to. But even on the bottom here, look how it just hangs over like that. It doesn't look good at all.
Nothing to...
So this is what, 2016 Jeep Wrangler?
Yep.
The back seat. I mean, this doesn't look terrible.
It's not even over to the whole thing.
But then again, on the back here, look, it's just hanging out like that.
Yeah, that's it.
And then the front here, you can see it's a different material on the side here too. Just a zipper across. And then right here, look, it just folds over.
Yeah, that's it.
I mean, is it supposed to be like that? Yeah. I'd rather just, instead of getting like leather, I'd probably rather just get a tight forming cloth to it, because then it would sit actually nice versus whatever is going on. So getting a close up here, this isn't even one part either. I see what you mean.
Nothing even lines up.
Yeah, nothing really lines up or looks good. I mean, it'll probably look better once this smooths out a little bit from wear and tear and just being used and stretching out. It's not in a box anymore or anything like that. But look at that. I don't know, it just looks better without it. Yeah, this middle piece looks so goofy up close. I'd just take that off, but I suppose. But you paid $300 for these seat covers when you could get this on Amazon for like 30 or 40 bucks.
Ultra seat covers.
So what would you say? Are you happy with your seat covers from Ultra? No. So there you have it, guys. If you want to go and buy this, you're probably not going to be getting great quality seat covers. You definitely will be getting something. So it's not a scam. Just don't be paying $300 for something like this.